Hello everyone, welcome to CDC. Today I'm preparing home-style, comforting, healthy, warm, light and delicious Moong Dal Khichdi recipe, which one can prepare in less than 15 minutes and can be enjoyed in lunch or dinner. So let's get started. In a bowl, add any kind of white rice, followed by split green gram. Now add water and wash it nicely with your hands and rub the grains against each other. It helps to get rid of dirt and extra starch. Wash it for 3 to 4 times or until water turns out clear. Consumption of these two ingredients together provides high level of nutrition to your body and makes for a low-fat, high-fiber, protein-rich meal, which also aids in weight loss. Once rinsed properly, soak it for 15 to 20 minutes. Though one can cook it directly after rinsing, but it is recommended to soak it before cooking. Soaking lentils increase the mineral absorption rate of the body. Soaking also activates a compound called amylase that breaks down complex starch in lentil and make them easy to digest. The soaking process also removes gas-causing compounds from the lentils. Now heat up a pressure cooker on medium-high heat and add ghee into it. The addition of Desi ghee does not only make this khichdi more flavorsome, but also addition of ghee brings down the glycemic index of rice, which promotes weight loss. Ghee also helps to nourish the whole body and also aids to better assimilation of food. If you are making this recipe for weight loss, then add only 1 teaspoon of ghee. Once ghee is hot, add cumin seeds followed by asafoetida into it. Then add black peppercorns and cloves into it. Once it starts to splutter, add soaked dal and rice into it. I have strained almost all the water from the soaked dal and rice before adding it. Roast lentil and rice for just about a minute. Then add salt. I'm using rock salt here. If you are using regular salt, then decrease the quantity by half. At this stage, you can also add turmeric and other spices as well. But I usually don't prefer to overload this dish with numerous spices. Then add water, give it a stir, taste a little bit of water to check if it needs more salt. If it tastes saltier than what you normally consume, it is good to go. Now close the lid and pressure cook it for 3 whistles. Once done, turn off the flame and let the cooker depressurize completely. Open the lid and mix it. If your khichdi turns out to be a little thick, then add hot water to loosen it or to attain the desired consistency. Do not add cold water as it can ruin the mild, nutty, sweet flavor of the dish. Now to give the final touch, in a tempering pan, add ghee. Once hot, add cumin seeds followed by asafoetida into it. Once it starts to splutter, turn off the flame. Cool down the tadka by continuously stirring for about 20 to 30 seconds. Once it cools down a bit, add red chili powder into it and mix it well. Add tadka on top of hot khichdi before serving it. You can enjoy this extremely delicious and flavorsome khichdi with yogurt, pickle or simply as it is. Do try out this heartwarming, nourishing and comforting recipe and share your thoughts in comment section. If you are new to this channel or haven't subscribed it yet, then please subscribe it. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. We'll see you soon in next video. Till then, happy eating. Bye bye. Take care.